Hello, welcome to My Easy Statistics. In this video, we will be discussing how to calculate the effect size for paid sample t-test. For this, we are taking the example of weight loss program. In this example, we have two variables. One is before program, the other one is after program. What is this before and after is? The before is weight loss before starting the weight loss program, which is in kgs, and this after program is these variables are weight in kgs after starting the weight loss program. So these variables, we have two data are there. One is before program, these are the weights before starting the program, weight loss program, and this is the variable values, which is weight loss after the starting the program. The total number of respondents are 22. First of all, let us see whether this weight loss program there is a significant difference between before and after. So for this we'll do analysis, compare mean, paid sample t-test. Now we'll take before first and next we will select after. So in this here I have selected before and after. Two values I have selected and I'm not doing any more setting here. Simply I'm clicking OK. Once I clicked OK, I got the paid sample statistics. Here we can see the mean values for weight kgs before starting the weight loss program is the mean value is 81.791, and after the program was started, weight in kgs after starting the program is 76.0781. So we can easily understand there is a significant difference. But let us see using paid sample t-test. Directly we can see this table, paid sample t-test. See the significant value. The significant value is 0.007. If the significant value is less than 0.05 at 95% confidence level, then we can conclude there is a significant difference between before values to the after values. Okay, now we have come to a conclusion. There is a significant difference between before to after. So let's start and conclude the effect size. For this conducting effect size, we need two values. One is a t value, the other one is n value. In this case, the t value is 2.979 and n value is 22. Now this is a formula for calculating effect size. We are using eta square formula. The formula is a t square divided by t square plus n minus 1. T value is 2.979, n is 22, and t square is 8.87. So t square divided by t square plus n minus 1. If I substitute the values in the formula, eta square value is 0.296. Now how can we say whether it is small, large or medium? Then basing on this table. Now eta square value is 0.296. If the eta square value is more than 0.14, then we can comment that effect size is large. So conclusion, the effect size is large. So in this example, we have taken the weight before starting weight loss program and after starting weight loss program for 22 respondents. And first we have did paid t-test and came to a conclusion that there is a significant difference. And using the formula, we have said that the effect size is large. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.